Here we are, 2026. First Sunday in May every year, Leland and Pine Bluff, the Slimey Crud Ride. From here with all the slimy cruds. And so for this year, we brought over the 71 Triumph with the 67 T120 engine in it. Just getting this on the road this year. We got about 75 miles on it. And it took 28 miles to get here. We're not very far away. But ran very nicely coming over. So we'll be riding this a bunch this summer. So as you can see, there's a bunch of motorcycles here. They come and they go. They come and they go. So there's a 650 Yamaha sitting over there. There's a Guzzi. R7 750. Along with another one sitting next to it. So that's when BMW's. I remember working in the BMW dealership. I hated the R60s. They came out with the R75, and I took that for a ride, and it's like, wow, that's a nice motorcycle. You end up with a little bit of everything here.
That's cool for you.
Too far? Probably in one place.
Another BMW.
I haven't had my girl in the back since 2017.
And another BMW.
Nice dance.
750 Honda 4. I owned the 76. Ryan Fielding's dad, Roger. This is his new truck. Chopped a Ford. He chopped it a lot. Don't pay any attention to me. I'm just the old guy, Roger.
Aren't we all?
You know Roger?
Yeah.
Now he does. Now he does.
Yeah. So I just shot Roger's truck here. So
I'm the proud builder of the
Roger Felding. Yep.
I need you in Phoenix.
Oh, yeah.
When you watch the Bring Brothers videos and you see the spokesman Ryan Fielding, that was his dad that was here. So chip off the old block. Yes, indeed. Well, what else we got hiding over around here? Anything? Who knows? Nice Beamer. Took out the pan.
How was my salesman? The guy on that bike?
Very nice pan. but it's got right or left side shift, so what year did they do that? 75? 4, 5, 6, somewhere in there. Crowd's just having fun. Shovel, got pan. Charlie's here somewhere. This is his motorcycle. Need a beer? Pretty good sized can.
Yeah, that's my wife's birthday. Oh, okay. No, that's not you.
I got quite a few motorcycles here. You realize they're all the way down there. And they're just coming and going. Parking lots got all kinds of motorcycles in it back in there.